Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Then fill the answer on your answer document. Number 1. Which detail from the selection supports the idea that people enjoy watching the Puppy Bowl? A. Animals are filmed months before the Super Bowl takes place. B. The Puppy Bowl is seen by as many as 12.4 million viewers each year. C. Animal shelters throughout the country send pictures of animals. Or D. The Puppy Bowl can be seen on the same day as the Super Bowl. Number 2. The main purpose of this selection is to F. Compare football players with puppies. G. Describe how puppies learned to play a human sport. H. Persuade the reader to adopt a pet from an animal shelter. Or J. Provide facts about a popular animal show. Number 3. Which sentence from the selection expresses the author's opinion? A. With their big eyes and clumsy ways, puppies are very cute to watch on a football field. B. The cable channel decided to create a show that viewers would find interesting. C. Of course, there is a major difference between the Super Bowl and the Puppy Bowl. D. PetFinder.com reports that the Puppy Bowl increases the overall number of adoptions nationwide. Four. What do all the Puppy Bowl participants have in common? F. They are all the same breed. G. They are all the same size. H. They are all used to playing games. J. They are all available for adoption. 5. Read the following information about the origin of the word supervise. From the Latin super plus videre, meaning to see, this information helps the reader know that the word supervises in paragraph 6 means A. Encourages, B. Judges, C. Determines, or D. Watches. 6. The author organizes the information in paragraph 3 by F. Explaining why a game played by puppies is better than the same game played by humans. G. Listing the reasons a cable channel created a show with puppies. H. Comparing the puppy football game with a real football game. J. Showing all the ways that puppy football is entertaining to watch. 7. One of the main goals of the Puppy Bowl is to A. Promote finding new homes for different kinds of pets. B. Encourage the public to spend more time watching real football. C. Encourage viewers to play games with their own pets. D. Show that puppies can do many of the same things humans do. 8. Which selection of the selection contains information about how vegetarians help with the Puppy Bowl? F. Play-by-play. G. Picking puppy players. H. Puppy protection. J. Everyone wins. 9. What is the best summary of the selection? A. The Puppy Bowl gathers animals from across the country and films them for a show that airs on the cable channel Animal Planet. The 2013 show included puppies, kittens, hamsters, and hedgehogs playing a kind of football game. B. The cable channel Animal Planet created the Puppy Bowl to air on the day of the Super Bowl The show brings together animals from shelters across the country so they can participate in a football game. Viewers are encouraged to adopt the show participants. I'm going to read B one more time. B. The cable channel Animal Planet created the Puppy Bowl to air on the day of the Super Bowl. The show brings together animals from shelters across the country so they can participate in a football game. Viewers are encouraged to adopt the show participants. C. When the cable channel Animal Planet realized that viewers were leaving the channel to watch the Super Bowl, a show was created to bring viewers back. The show is called The Puppy Bowl. It features puppies and other animals. D. The Puppy Bowl is filmed in a studio for the cable channel Animal Planet. Puppies are filmed playing a version of football. Kittens, hamsters, and hedgehogs have also been featured on the show. Before moving on, you need to pause this video and record your answers on your answer document. Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Then fill in the answer on your answer document. What lesson does Herbie learn in this play? F. Finding humor in a difficult task makes it more enjoyable. G. Depending on help from others is often challenging. H. Performing well all the time is impossible. J. Success is possible through hard work. 11. Annabelle asks Miss Pinkham about the grades immediately after the test because Annabelle A. Thinks everyone in the class should know she did well on the test. B. Believes that she made a perfect score on the test. C. Wants Miss Pinkham to recognize how much she studied for the test. D. Knows that her address is the most difficult to spell. 12. The word cinch in paragraph 25 refers to something that is F. Easy, G. Unusual, H. Similar, J. Interesting. 13. The stage directions in paragraph 42 and 43 are included to help A. Make the play humorous, B. Create suspense, C. Show a new problem, or D. Introduce a new character. 14. Herbie's reaction when he learns about Olivia's study method shows that he is F. Certain that Olivia is making fun of the way he studies. G. Jealous that Olivia always makes better grades than he does. H. Surprised to learn that the plan is very simple. J. Eager to demonstrate some of his own study habits. 15. Why does the playwright include a narrator in this play? A. To make the main character's conflict seem more suspenseful. B. To help the audience understand what the characters are thinking. C. To assist the main characters in figuring out how to solve a problem. D. To give the audience details about the characters' actions in the scene. 16. Read the dictionary entry for the word keep. Keep, verb, 1. To take care of, 2. To save, 3. To hold back, 4. To control. Which definition best fits the way the word keeping is used in paragraph 31? F. Definition 1. G. Definition 2. 3. definition 3, or J, definition 4? 17. The narrator's lines in paragraph 9 are important to the play because they A. Show that Herbie is serious about studying for his spelling test. B. Describe Herbie's favorite method of studying for spelling test. C. Explain why Olivia is surprised to see Herbie studying for a spelling test. D. Show that Olivia wants to help Herbie do well on his spelling test. Before moving on, you need to pause the video and record your answers on your answer document. Read the next two selections, then choose the best answer to each question. Use A Book for Jonah, page 15 through 16, to answer questions 18 through 22. Then fill in the answers on your answer document. 18. What was the main reason Dylan's book was a success? F. People wanted to help Dylan and Jonah. G. It showed what a chocolate bar meant to Dylan. H. People were curious about Dylan's favorite activities. J. It revealed what Jonah likes best about Dylan. 16. Dylan and Jonah used the phrase "so chocolate bar" to describe A. Events that raise money for Jonah. B. Experiences that they enjoy. C. Places that sell Dylan's book. D. Ways to make someone feel better. 20. Why did the author include the information in paragraph 4? F. To explain how so many people heard about Dylan's mission. G. To tell why the two friends were asked to be on a TV show. Or G. To tell why the two friends were asked to be on TV shows. H. To describe a place Dylan got to visit because of the book. J. To reveal what information can be found on Dylan and Jonah's website. (21) What is the best summary of paragraph 1 through 3? A. Dylan Siegel's friend Jonah has a liver disease. Dylan wrote a book called Chocolate Bar to sell at school. A grocery store provided chocolate bars for Dylan to sell. B. Dylan Siegel wanted to write a book titled Chocolate Bar about going to the beach and other things he enjoys. After he wrote the book, he sold copies of it at school. He also sold chocolate bars from a grocery store. C. Dylan Siegel wanted to raise money for his friend Jonah. Dylan's parents had ideas about some ways that he could raise money. He worked with people to sell a book he wrote. D. Dylan Siegel wanted to help his friend Jonah, who had a liver disease. Dylan wrote a book titled Chocolate Bar. Copies of the book and chocolate bars donated by a grocery store were sold to raise money for Jonah. 22. Which detail from the article suggests that many people want to help Jonah? F. The book describes some of Dylan's experiences. G. The scientists at a university need to do some research. H. Dylan's book has raised several hundred thousand dollars. J. Dylan's parents provided ideas about how to raise money.